Hello everyone. Today we are continuing the same topic related with industrial chemistry, that is the general aspect of chemical industries. In last two lectures we have studied introduction of chemical industries, scope of chemical industries and general aspect. In this lecture we are studying basic requirements of chemical industries. No doubt, we all know that whenever we have to start, establish, develop any industry, the main important fundamental requirement of industry are the raw materials, supply of raw material. In the same manner, basic requirement of chemical industry, first fundamental basic requirement is raw materials. Okay, whenever we have to run any chemical plant or industry, two types of raw materials are essential. One is the organic raw materials and another one is the inorganic raw material. These raw materials may be available from either another small scale industry or from a natural resources, right? So the first basic requirement of chemical industry is the availability of raw materials, which are further classified into a two different types. One is the organic type of raw material and second one is the inorganic type of raw material. Now first we see different examples of inorganic raw material as well as organic raw materials. No doubt, in our surroundings as well as different chemical industries, different types of drug, polymers, food products, bulk products are developed by using so many different types of raw material. Now, whenever the inorganic type of raw material is considered, then the regularly utilized inorganic raw materials are coal, carbon, charcoal, which is raw material either used as a synthetic raw material or it may be used as a fuel. So coal or charcoal is one of the key raw material, inorganic type of raw material which is utilized in chemical industry. That may be fuel or starting material. Then second type of inorganic raw material is the ammonia gas. Either it is present in the form of liquid or it is present in the form of gaseous state. It is again one type of a basic fundamental heavy chemical which is used as a raw material. Then third important raw material is the sulfuric acid, which comes under the essential heavy material, and sulfuric acid is one of the inorganic raw material. The next one is the nitric acid. All these three, ammonia, sulfuric acid and nitric acid, are the considered as heavy chemicals which are mostly useful in various type of synthetic process or manufacturing process. The next important raw material is the different types of mineral oils which are obtained from a different mines as well as a refineries. The next one is the calcium carbonate and next is the sodium hydroxide. These are the some examples of inorganic raw materials which are regularly utilized in various type of chemical industries. That is the basic first requirement which is fulfilled by the sum of the chemicals as the inorganic raw material. Then second important class of raw material is organic raw materials. No doubt, this type of raw material contains different types of organic compounds. Particularly, The easily available organic compound which is having a agricultural origin are carbohydrates. Different types of carbohydrates we are using as a organic raw material. Then different sugars, that is sucrose, glucose, fructose, lactose, maltose, such type of sugars are also organic raw material. Then third, a fat obtained either from plant origin or it is obtained from a animal origin. Right? Fat material is also used as a raw material, and particularly these fats are a elongated chains of fatty acids. Fatty acids are these are considered. Then fourth important organic raw material is a petrochemicals. Particularly these petrochemicals are obtained from different types of petroleum refineries. For example, a natural gases obtained from refineries, that is ethane, methane, butane, naphtha is also one of the key ingredient of different types of petrochemicals. So petrochemicals particularly are used as a raw material, and we all familiar that petroleum, diesel, kerosene, these are the some fuel sources of chemical industries as well as automobile industry. The next one is the ethyl acetoacetate, EAA. It is one of the synthetic reagent which is used for manufacturing of different types of chemical drugs, products, as well as a different types of compounds, that is ethyl acetoacetate. The next one of the key raw material ingredient is the benzene. No doubt one of the aromatic compound which is used for synthesis of different types of compounds as well as product, that is the benzene. Next, different types of alkyl halides are also a basic raw material which is used in various chemical industries for the purpose of alkylation, manufacture of alkyl derivatives of benzene, and different types of acids are also manufactured by using alkyl halides. So we are, as a chemist, we are much more familiar with these alkyl halides. Then next, different types of carboxylic acid or organic acids are also used as a synthetic organic raw material. For example, a alkene series, that is starting from formic acid, methanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, benzoic acid. All these acids are used as a synthetic organic raw material, and this comes under the class of organic raw materials. And the major class which is used as organic raw material are the different types of aldehydes and ketones. No doubt, we have already studied the reactions related with aldehyde and ketones. But these aldehydes and ketones are also used as a basic organic raw materials for the manufacture of different types of organic compounds, different types of inorganic compounds as a reagent, and various. So those type of raw materials which we are going to utilize, these raw materials are used for the purpose of manufacturing of different types of chemical industry products as well as byproducts. So this is the first ingredient, first basic requirement of chemical industry, that is organic and inorganic raw materials. Okay, thank you.